welcome back to Mad Life with Posh, and I am Posh, and today's video will be all about the new Nykaa pink sale haul. Here Nykaa had been having a pink sale for the last 5 days and I have ordered quite a lot of products from there, as you can see, and I'll be sharing with you all what all I had purchased in this new sale. So stay tuned if you want to see what all I have purchased, and plus if you are new to my channel, please do consider liking and subscribing to my channel, because your each like will mean the whole world to me. So without a further ado, let's get started with the video. At the beginning of the video, let me tell you the kurti that I am wearing over here. If you like it, I have already showed and reviewed this kurti in my last Myntra haul video. If you want to check it out, I will link it down in the I button. Do check it out. There are some amazing affordable kurtis are over there, and it is really nice, very comfortable to wear. It is 100% cotton and you will love it if you want to purchase it. So before starting, let me tell you, I have already noted down what all products I will be reviewing over here with their original prices as well as their discounted prices. So let's get started first with the skincare products. I have purchased this time only a very few new skincare products that are affordable yet very essential to me. And the first product that I have purchased is the Pond's Pure White Mineral Clay. It claims to be a facial foam, anti-pollution plus purity it claims, and it also claims deep clean detox with activated charcoal, and the net quantity that I am getting is 40 grams for the price of 110. And let me tell you, there were no discounts for this product that I am showing over here. So I have literally paid 110 rupees for this product, for this 40 gram product. So I will be giving you all a detailed review of this product in my channel. Here goes the first product down. So on the next product I have over here is the Nivea hand cream, and this is the refreshing glycerin and aloe vera variant, and it is for dry skin, if you can see over here. And it claims to deep restore serum, to have deep restore serum for soft and smooth hands. So as you can see that the corona situation is going on and we all had to wash our hands daily, several times, I mean gazillion times, and I even cook for my husband who goes to office daily. So I thought, why not buy a hand cream this time for a change from Nykaa, because I generally use a hand cream from Goodbye Eves, and this one over here, it provides 75 gram of product for the price of rupees 90, and this one too didn't had any discount on it. So I have literally paid 90 rupees for this product. But the only bummer here in this product is that if you can see that the manufacturing date over here, I don't know if you can see it guys, then let me tell you, the manufacturing date of this product is 05/19. That means this product had already been manufactured 1 year before than the timing that I have purchased it. So I have lost 1 year for this product, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. That is, it is going to expire on 10/21. That is next year. At the time of October, this product is going to get expired, and we tend to use a very small quantity of hand cream. I generally have oily skin, so other than the corona situation and the winters, I don't really use a hand cream as much as other people do. You can judge me on that, but I would really like to complain here to Nykaa that why did they provide me with such a product which has 2 years of shelf life, but yet I am getting just one and not even full 1 year to complete this product. And although I am paying just the full price of this product, then why such discrimination with me? This is not a sponsored video, so I am going to give my honest reviews. So I will warn you guys, whenever you guys are buying any product, do consider checking the product expiry date as well as the manufacturing date, because sometimes companies, in rush to clear their stock, they provide you with this kind of products. So I'll be providing you the detailed review of this product in my upcoming next few videos. So here goes the next product. This is Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer, and it is the old one with their old packaging. I have just restocked it because I was running out of it in my lockdown period, as I was trying to recreate few looks for my Instagram, and so I have thought of repurchasing it in the sale. You can see it comes in the glass bottle with the same lid, and the price of this one is 199, but I have paid 169, that is nearly 40 rupees less than what it is. So I would say, if you are getting a good high coverage concealer, that too under 200, grab it. It is a really nice product. And I would also like to show you the coverage of this concealer over here on my hand. If you can see that by taking such a small amount of this concealer, if you just blend it over here, you will see the formulation. Just see the skin over here and the skin over here. This concealer really helps to blur out all the blemishes and the dark spots very nicely, and it is a really nice full coverage concealer, but it gives you the chance or the scope to build its coverage as much as you want to build it up. So it is a very nice concealer. Do check it out, guys. So my fourth product is Maybelline creamy matte lipstick, but this lipstick that I had over here, it is from the Brick collection. I already own many creamy matte lipstick from this range, but none from their Brick collection. And let me just show you all the color of this lipstick. It is a very nice peachy chocolatey kind of a tone, if that is really a thing. And I would like to show you all the swatch of this lipstick on my hand. So guys, the formulation of the lipstick is pretty much same as the other creamy matte lipstick, but you can see such a beautiful color it is. I'm really happy for this purchase. And the shade I have it over here, it is the Madison Red. The shade number is 02, and you will be shocked at how much price I grabbed this lipstick. The price of this lipstick is $299, but I got this lipstick for $150. Yes, you have heard it right, I got it for 50% of sale, and it is a real steal, guys. Do check it out. Fifth product in this list. If you see that I tend to look many a times down, then that is probably to see my copy and compare the prices and the product as per the list that I have made to show it in this haul. So my next product is the new Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, and my shade is 112, as you can see it over here. And guys, my shade name is, I think, Natural Ivory. And let me tell you guys, Nykaa went all crazy to just sell this product. If you can see, this is the new product that they have here with the new packaging, and I guess they only have 3 shades in this compact range. This is the packaging of the product. It is the very basic Fit Me packaging in a total black one, and they have a mirror over here, and I just dropped the puff that they provide, and a film is also over here, and you can see this is just according to my skin tone. This one that is over here, the swatch is over here. And let me tell you guys, Nykaa went all crazy with this product because the price of this product is $199, and they were retailing this in the pink sale for just 100 rupees. You have heard it right, just 100 rupees. So I just grabbed it. Sixth product, and it is Wet n Wild contour palette. You can see it over here. I basically repurchased this product just for this banana kind of a powder that they provide is perfect for my skin tone. It completely blurs out my under eye area in a perfect way, as you can see. And the shade that I have it over here is, I think, what was my shade, is the Dolce Lash, if I am pronouncing it right. It is E7491 Dolce Lash, if I'm not murdering the name, if I'm pronouncing it right. Do check it out, guys. It is a great product. As you can see, they provide a big pan. You will take a lot of time. I literally took 3 years to complete my last pan, and I am repurchasing this product. You will take forever to complete this pan, and if you buy this one, if you are a beginner, then it will just blow your mind by its coverage, and it is totally buildable. It has powdery finish, and I must tell you, you can blend it, like you just can blend it. This product in your skin just blends like butter, if you can see it. This product over here blends like butter. Do try it out if you are a beginner. And Anandita Chakravarti, if you follow her, she just swears by this product. And before putting it down, let me tell you, I bought this product for just 374, right? And the original price of this product is 500, and the discounted price was 374. I'll just mention everything down below in the description box, and I will also be providing you all with the link of this product that I am showing over here in my video, so that you can all check it out. First product from the Nykaa haul, that is my 7th product, is an eyeshadow palette from LA Colors. I was eyeing this palette for such a long time, but it always used to go out of stock whenever I used to check it out, and this time I got it, and you will feel crazy for how much I purchased this product. The price of this product is 495, and I purchased this product for just rupees 248, which is just straight away 50% discount. And the colors over here are so nice. These are perfect to create any ombre eye look, a very smoky kind of a eye look, yet the colors are very pigmented. Let me give you a swatch of all these colors on my hand. Can you see it, the color payoff? Then just see it. It is completely buildable, and wow, this color, guys, see it. It's so nice. Can you see it? all the colors, they are totally bomb, and I can literally create like so many looks with this palette. So it was a real nice purchase, and if you are a beginner, then you can really go for the other palettes that they have it in this range. They have a variety of colors here, and they are very affordable. You will get it within this price range at a various time period. Even if they are not having any sale, they sometimes give it a flash sale and provide this product for 248. Do check out Wood for such sales and grab this one. It is a complete worth it product, guys, and it is, you will just fall in love with this product once you use it. And here I come to the last product of this haul, and it is the Maybelline Master Chrome product. This is another product that I am repurchasing because I ran out of it a long time ago and I couldn't able to make myself repurchase it, and now I was in dire need of the product, so I have again repurchased it. And my shade over here is Rose Gold Molten or Rose Fondue, and the shade number is 050. You can see over here the product is very beautiful. Let me just give you a quick review of this product. This product over here comes for a net 6.7 gram, and the price that I paid, the original price of this product is 550, and I paid 413 for this product. And it is a blinding highlighter, guys. Let me give you a swatch of it on my hand. You can see the swatch of it. It is slightly in a powdery form, and it is blindingly glittery, but in a buttery finish. It doesn't have any chunk glitter, so it glides like a butter, just like a butter on your skin wherever you apply it. And this shade over here goes so well on my skin tone. I am in complete love with this product. And so here we come to the end of this haul. Do let me know how much you like my mini haul that I showed it to you, and also let me know how much you liked the product or disliked the product, because these all were my honest review of the products that I had repurchased or purchased, and the new products that I am going to review it next on my upcoming videos. So give your genuine thoughts in the comment section and let me know how much you liked it. So till then, bye bye from my side.